Hello friends, I am Shravana Lakshmi Pisapati and welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. Today we will see the scenario like you will be given a file and you have to create a data frame, and from that data frame it will have multiple columns, right? So how to create a single string out of that columns. Usually when you are analyzing some logs or something, and that format will be different. So when you create a data frame out of it and you wanted to convert that into a separate as a delimited file, and that will be used in the downstream systems. So for such kind of scenarios you will get this requirement. So today let's see how to change that all the data frame columns into a single string. So I'm using this file today for sample. So here if you take a lot of columns are there, first let me create a data frame out of this string. So val df equal to spark dot read dot, and it has the header, so I am giving this option, and then dot csv file, which one is customer records dot csv. So if you just see this, so if you see here, the data frame is created with all the columns. So let's say you have a table like this, any hive or anything with the table already, and you have to convert that into this format which we just see in the we just saw in the ppt, right? So that format, then what you have to do is df dot map for every row, because we have to convert that into row, right? So I mean anything you can take basically. Dot, we have a function called make string, and let's say pipe delimited. You can give anything here. I mean pipe tilde or whatever you want, you can give it here, and show. And let's run this. So each row here, I mean it's a column wise is there, right? The everything will be turned into a single column, which will be usually value. Under that value, entire details. Okay, let me give it false here so that we can see the entire data frame values with tilde delimited. So friends, you can see clearly, right? Only one column is printed now, and all the values are now tilde delimited. It looks so simple, but this is majorly used transformation, I mean function inside the map for sending the files to the downstream systems. So hope this is useful to you friends, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.